loves, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Angelique if you are new here, and today I am very excited. I am actually joined with my mom. This is Christy.
Hi guys!
And this time I am so excited because she is not just visiting Hawaii, but in fact she just moved here yesterday.
You know, if you've ever been on a flight and you have to fill out the form and it's like, I'm visiting 7 days this resort.
Yeah.
I got to put resident this
How
time.
crazy is that?
I know.
Guys, I haven't lived next to my mom since I moved to LA, which is almost 10 years ago. Since I was 16 years old, I haven't lived next to her. So I'm very excited for this chapter of our lives, but I'm also very excited about this video. So let's go ahead and jump right in, and yeah. All right, guys.
We don't normally look like this.
Yeah, we don't normally look like actually we do normally look like drowned rats, but that's the point of this video. Today I'm going to be teaching my mom how to do her hair in Hawaii. It's definitely a little bit different than doing it in Utah. I've learned that. It's definitely a different routine. So I actually teamed up with DevaCurl to share with you guys their holiday care gift set, and they had a really fun idea to like find a curl friend, get it? Like curl friend, girlfriend, aka my mom, and to like teach you guys how I take care and maintain my curls, and also teach you so you guys can kind of, it's like dual purpose, you know? I teach you, you learn how to do your hair in Hawaii, and not only do you get to see how I do my hair, you get to see how my mom does her hair, and you also get to see where I get my hair from. So it's kind of like a win-win for everybody. Okay, so I thought before we jump into like the step-by-step that I would like share with them the gift sets and also share with you the gift sets because...
Which I truly appreciate because when we were here helping you move,
yeah,
the curls that came out and the frizz was incredible. And I even said to her, I said, if there's anything you can do when you move here, please help me figure out how to tame the frizz, because no more straightening your hair because in 2 seconds it's done. So this was like a blessing in disguise to me.
Honestly, it's a blessing in disguise to me too, because it's been so tough to like find the right products for my hair here because it is a totally different routine than I'm used to. So before we jump into this tutorial, I wanted to share with you guys the holiday care kits by DevaCurl. These are the kits that we are going to be using today. They come in 3 different versions. We have the wavy version, which is what my mom and I are going to be using today.
It's called the Delight.
Yes. Curly Love version, which is the original, so this has all the original products in it. And then we have the Super Curly Love, which has the Decadence products in it. And inside the kits, do you want to share what we have,
Mom? Sure. So each kit, you get a full-size shampoo, a full-size conditioner.
Which is awesome. I was actually really impressed with the shampoo and conditioner. We'll talk about that later when we get into the tutorial.
And it smelled really good.
Yeah.
And then appropriate to each kit, you get defining products.
Yep, and then so they're 2 travel size products. And then you have the appropriate versions in those kits as well. So these holiday care kits retail for $48. They are originally $72, which is a great price for what you get inside. So if you know somebody that has wavy, curly, or super curly hair, this is a perfect holiday gift option in my opinion, because somebody with curly hair, I would love to receive products that like I've been wanting to try. So I would definitely recommend this for the curly haired person in your life or for yourself because it's a great value, so why not? All these kits will be linked down below for your convenience. We'll have the wavy, curly, and super curly down there for you. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into this tutorial. So Mom, yes. I don't know if you know this, but we fall into the wavy hair category.
Are you sure?
I'm pretty positive. Yep.
Sometimes I feel curly.
You know what, some days I feel curly hair too. So I feel like we have like wavy dash curly hair. So today we use the wavy hair. I feel like my mom and I are probably gonna dip into the curly just to see like what our hair does. All right, so I have my curl friend, I have my hair kit, so now I'm gonna take you step by step and show you how I cheat and maintain my hair, which is crazy, because my mom is actually the one who taught me to embrace my curls years and years ago. When I was a teenager, I wanted to straighten my hair every day, and then she introduced me to a diffuser and products that worked. So she's already been on like a natural hair care journey for quite a while. Like you embrace your natural waves all the time. But like we said, it's different here in Hawaii. So we are going to use the DevaCurl Holiday Hair Kit to show you how I maintain and take care of my curls. Oh, and just a reminder for you and for me and all of you guys out there, if you have naturally wavy hair, just embrace it. Like it took me a while to like really embrace the frizz, the process, finding the right products. It is a process, just embrace it, go with it, and just keep trying till you figure out how your hair works, because I remember the day I figured out my like lion mane and I was like, yep, this is it. I'm gonna do this every day, you know? Isn't it like
I remember,
true?
I think you came home and you're like, Mom, I did nothing. I went natural. I got the most compliments.
Yeah, it's literally us. Like, I don't ever have to do my hair again. This is awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into step number 1. All right, so step number 1, my mom and I already did. It is using the, go ahead and pull it out. Boom. It is the Diva Curl Low Poo Delight, which is...
And can I say?
Yes.
It smelled like a delight.
Ooh.
I love the way it
Wait,
smelled.
why don't you read?
Oh,
Your glasses. This is pretty cute, you know?
excuse me.
I'm gonna have her help me. Go ahead and read what it says right there.
So the shampoo, lightweight, moisturizing, low lathering cleanser with rice protein, lotus flower, and a chia flaxseed extract blend.
Perfect.
Gently cleanses, helps fight frizz, bonus,
Yep.
and oil buildup. So waves are soft, bouncy, and defined.
Perfect. So I sent her home with a kit this morning so that way she could use it. So we were both already cleansed and washed with wet hair, as you can see. So step number 2 is the Diva Curl One Condition Delight, which is...
Okay, also lightweight, moisturizing conditioner with rice protein, lotus flower, and chia flaxseed extract blend.
Perfect.
Fights frizz, tangles, provides a defined, wavy look.
So what I noticed with this is it is more of a lightweight hydration, meaning that it doesn't like weigh down your hair. Did you notice that too?
I did.
It felt like it hydrated, but it didn't feel like it was like heavy at the roots. And I feel like that's a big deal, especially when you have wavy hair, not super curly hair.
And also when you have this much hair, because it's easy to make it feel heavier.
Ooh, and also the shampoo and conditioner are 100% sulfate, paraben, and silicone free. That was step 1 and 2 that we already did this morning. Okay, so for step 3 and 4, I feel like it's gonna kind of be trial and error. And I say that because, have you ever noticed like different combinations of products work better than others? So we're going to use the 2 travel sizes in here, but I feel like over the next like little bit, we'll notice like, ooh, more of this one, less of this one, less of this, more of
Well,
this,
and it says here step 3 is the gel, and step 4 is the foam, and in my mind I would almost think opposite. I don't know why, because I'm old school from the 80s where you put your foam in first, everyone does a mousse. So that's where my mind would go. So there must be something to this.
Yep, we're gonna switch up that old school mind of yours. Okay, so step 3 is the Diva Curl Ultra Defining Gel. Go ahead and read about that one. Mom.
Okay. Stronghold gel with wheat and soy protein surrounds curls with a non-sticky curl cast that defines, fights frizz, and amplifies shine and bounce without that crunchy feel.
Yeah, which I'm a big fan of. I actually used to like the crunchy feel, and then I got over that real quick when I felt like I could like crunch and break my own curl.
That was always kind of fun.
Right? There was a weird...
There was a satisfaction.
There was, but we're not going to do that today.
No.
So with the Ultra Defined Curl, there's a few ways you can do it. There's one that they recommend, and then there's one way that I have been doing it. I like to get out of the shower, let my hair sit in a microfiber towel for a moment so it's not dripping wet, and then I lightly put this in and start like scrunching and putting in the gel. They recommend on the back of the bottle to pretty much put it in when it's like dripping wet, let it sit for a second, and then take a microfiber towel and like soak up the excess. So that way I feel like the product isn't too heavy. But again, it's always trial and error, so
and it may go through your hair easier.
Yeah, so we're gonna try it this way since we're here right now. But you can always try the other way at home or try it later and let me know. So I just like to take my hands, yep, my mom's already got it. She knows how this goes. And then just start putting it through my hair. I like to focus a little bit at the roots so that way there is body. And then I also like to take it and scrunch and start activating the curls.
Okay, I might need a little more because all that went in the top.
Okay, here's more.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna flip over to the other side and do this. Yeah, you
wait.
good.
Hold on, ready?
Oh God, no, 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 no!
Excuse me.
She's got a lot of hair, kids. A lot of hair.
But she's also told me you're probably gonna cut that off living here.
Yeah, it's hot. It is hot. Okay, so already in my hands, it's not like super sticky. Do you feel that?
No, it's pretty much
Yeah, it's
gone.
like literally gone, which is amazing.
So I can get how there's not that crunch.
Yeah, not that crunch for sure. You feel like step 3 is achieved?
Step 3, done.
Okay, all right, so I'm gonna hand you your box back. Box, check.
Okay.
All right, step 4. We're going to move on to the Diva Curl Frizz-Free Volumizing Foam Lightweight Body Booster. Go ahead and read about it, Mom.
Lightweight, body boosting foam with a blend of lemongrass and sunflower.
Yes.
Help gives the curls airy volume,
Yep.
touchable definition, frizz, control, and incredible shine.
Yes. I use this one. I've been using this one for a while now, and I've been really, really impressed because it is lightweight. I am a mousse person, and I feel like it does give me really good volume at the roots. So with this one, unlike the gel, I like to focus a little bit more at the roots and then scrunch it through my hair as well. I know I did that with the gel. I feel like the gel is great for like the ends to control the frizz. For me, the foam is really good, like more so at the roots.
Well, I'm excited for this because with my hair being so long, it's heavy. So things I put in my hair, I end up with the drowned rat look on top.
Yeah.
Which I need volume.
Well,
the 80s girl needs some height.
Let's test it out and see if this one works.
Okay.
All right, literally we're just gonna start foaming. You're gonna need a lot more than that because you got a lot of hair. But, yeah, let's just start at the roots. Oh, it smells really good. Do you smell that? That lemongrass, though. That lemongrass.
Oh, that does smell good.
Mm-hmm.
Makes me hungry.
Hungry? For what?
Well, do you remember that lemongrass dish we used to get with with the chicken and the noodles from Cafe Trang in Utah?
No, but that sounds amazing. Okay, so now that I just put it at my roots, I'm gonna flip over and do my other side. Do you want more for your ends too, a little bit?
Yes, please.
Okay. I always like to start activating my natural waves by scrunching and holding.
And one thing I've noticed too
What?
is when you're putting it in your hair, almost like squeeze like the follicles together so you're not separating that.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
See, she's teaching me stuff too. We're good for each other, you know?
Well, it's a good thing because
Yeah.
it kind of stuck with me.
Oh yeah, you live here.
Yeah. 10 minutes away.
All right, so we have gone through step 1, 2, 3, and 4, all the products that are in these holiday gift sets, and now we are going to let our hair air dry for about like 20 to 30 minutes. I always like to do that when I wear my hair natural. I let it pretty much almost air dry, and then I will take my diffuser for about like 5-10 minutes, depending on how wet my hair still is, and I finish my hair with a diffuser. You've taught me that years and years ago, and it's kind of been my secret weapon with my natural wavy hair. That's actually the secret to getting like volume at my root. So we are gonna go ahead and do that, and we will show you guys the end result in about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, I don't know. We'll be back.
Mine might take a little longer.
Yeah, this is true. Okay guys, so it has been about 20 to 30 minutes. We just diffused our hair. You look like Raggedy Ann, and I look like I don't even know, just a blonde puffball.
That's your mane.
Yeah, a line mane. I like it.
Yeah.
All right, so Mom, this is the results. What do you think?
I love it.
Will you follow my hair care routine?
Yes.
Will you use the holiday care kit?
Yes, I will.
Okay. Kind of also decided that we might try the curly because I feel like we kind of went curlier than we thought we would.
Well, I know I did for sure.
Yeah.
I mean, I've got defined
Like, look at those little curls.
here.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe some people think that's wavy, but for me, it's more of a curl than usual, so.
Your hair didn't go this curly in Utah for sure.
No.
No, I think the humidity helps. And
Just a little bit.
honestly, it's raining right behind us. It just started downpouring, so I think that might be,
We couldn't get more humidity today if we wanted to.
yeah, so I think the odds were in our favor. Anyways, that is it, guys. That is the end of this video. I'm so happy I had my curl friend here, aka my mom. I'm very happy to have her living here. I'm very happy to have her living here in Hawaii, and now we can just do hair care routines all the time. How fun!
I know!
Right? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, seeing how I do my hair using the Diva Curl holiday hair kits in the wavy version. As always, I will link everything down below, so that way if you guys liked it, you guys can find it. So you can find the holiday care kits down there. Do you have any other questions? Any other remarks?
I don't think so, but it was easier than you would think.
Yeah.
I
My
mean-
hair doesn't feel crunchy, it feels defined, doesn't feel frizzy.
And it smells good.
Yeah, I'm honestly so impressed. I haven't seen your hair this curly in so long. Yeah. I'm very proud of myself as your
Thank you.
as your teacher.
Thanks for letting me be your curl friend.
I'm so glad you were here in time. But that is it, guys. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, crazy.
Enjoy your new kits when you get them.
Yeah, enjoy your kids, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.